in, I would just like to take you through the Asia Today Research and Media. Asia Today Research and Media is a dynamic global analytical company providing ratings, research and analytical services. We're experienced and qualified practitioners of both market and community research. Pride of Nation Awards is an attempt to honor individuals who have significantly contributed in their own fields and brought laurels to the state. Applause, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. The lovely, the gorgeous, the beautiful Mrs. Jayaprada, Indian actress. Let's have a huge round of applause and welcome her on stage. Ma'am, we're extremely honored to have you here with us. Thank you very much for joining. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have Mr. Diptiman Chatterjee, CEO, Indian Fashions. Our next champion today is...
जो इंडियन हैंडीक्राफ्ट है, हमने कई सारे एग्जीबिशंस में आप सब गए हैं एंड यू हैव वंडर्ड कि जस्ट लुक एट हाउ दीज पीपल मेक दीज गुड्स, बट उसका मार्केट प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है कि हम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में कम से कम बात करें. इफ वी कैन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू young kids who are between in their teenagers, Indian craftsmen who did not have that kind of exposure earlier, they are reaching out to the corners of the world and they are being appreciated world over.